Here's how Krzysztof Kobylinski from ADI Leak Detection found and fixed a hidden water leak at a property in Winchmore Hill. Krzysztof Kobylinski attended a property in Winchmore Hill on behalf of ADI Leak Detection, using acoustic listening equipment, thermal imaging, tracer gas and moisture mapping to trace a hidden water leak. The leak was located and repaired during the visit. And here's what customer Stephen Roberts said. Kristof was great. He identified the problem on my ground floor, which wasn't easy to find, fixed it and refitted the floor impeccably. Not cheap, but better to use these guys than some of the other options who waste time and bill by the hour, etc. The customer service rep was also very good. Clear communications. For leak detection in Winchmore Hill, call ADI Leak Detection on 0800 731 3843.